Welcome to another
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey, Todd here over the National RV Training Academy, inside Big Red yet again. Got some questions, gonna go ahead and answer for you. All right, now this one's from Jack MM1DB. So apparently he's a sound guy, taking up to 1 decibel. All right, here we go. I have a question, obviously, because you're writing it. I have a Dutchman Kodiak with a Dometic 35,000 BTU air conditioner. Why can't the air conditioner run on low without it freezing up and shutting off? My thermostat has a high, low, in auxiliary, AU, maybe Australia, right? When running it on high, constantly on, kick off, turn on, does everything like it should. But when he puts it on low blower, then we get the freeze, okay? I'm worried that the AU, the automatic position, right, where it goes from high speed to low speed as we get closer to temperature, that's how that works, right? So on high, boom, you're about 4 or 5 degrees away from your ideal temperature. And as you approach your ideal temperature, drop down to low fan speed. The problem is when you're on low fan speed, coils freeze up. And that is just natural. Let me explain what's going on here, right? So the air conditioner is actually pulling in the warm, moist air out of your RV, right? And when a moist air hits a cold surface, of course, it actually turns to water, condensate. Well, since the airflow is going across slowly, there's not enough movement in air to dry off that water. So cold coils, water sitting on them, freezes, right? So the way the Dometic air conditioner works is the circuit board has a thermistor, right? And this is just the thermostat, thermal resistor, sitting on the evaporator coils, right? Reaches a certain ohms, doesn't like what it sees, so it turns off the power to the compressor, leaves the fan on, right? Leaving the fan on, now we're sucking in warm air across those cold coils, warms them back up, frost goes away. Once we reach a certain ohms value, then the compressor kicks back on. The question is, you're worried about it hurting the compressor. No, it's actually the way it's designed, right? Kind of protect the compressor from building up too much pressure because we can't have that heat exchange. So absolutely fine on AU. You're going to notice that the compressor does turn off and turn back on and cycle off. Could be because the coils are freezing up, or it could be because it also gets too hot outside. So absolutely fine. Don't worry about it. Keep it on Australia and you'll be doing good. There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
Hey Todd, long time, first time, love everything that you do. There's your template for asking questions, people. Hey Todd, I love all the free advice. Everything that you say is absolutely spot on. So here's a question for you. There's another template. Another one, watch this. Hey Todd, hey Todd, it's NRVTA here.